The biggest threats to success are rarely the ones you can see. They're the warning signs you overlook, dismiss, or delay until they become impossible to ignore. A few years ago, I was scuba diving in the incredible Cozumel, Mexico, when something went terribly wrong. I couldn't breathe. I checked my equipment and I tried again. Nothing. As panic set in, I heard a message that would change my life forever. Jackie, you have missed all the signs and signals. You need to share your gifts and talents with others to help them feel more confident and successful in business and in life. After clinging to life for 3 days in a Mexican hospital, I couldn't stop thinking about those words. The truth was, the signs had always been there. The patterns, the frustrations, the issues, I knew they needed attention, but I kept pushing them aside. I wasn't listening. That experience revealed something I now see in organizations and industries across construction, technology, energy, and business services. Businesses behave the same way. Revenue isn't random. Revenue doesn't suddenly decline. Top performers don't suddenly leave. Culture doesn't deteriorate overnight. Customers don't just walk away. The signs appear long before the crisis. Most leaders just don't recognize them until the cost is significant. That's why I created Revenue Reset. As a global award-winning sales leadership and revenue performance expert, I hear leaders say, our revenue and profitability should be higher. We just aren't growing fast enough. Managers aren't leading consistently. Our accountability within the organization is weak. Our deals are stalling and our forecasts are unreliable. Our product is better than the competition, yet clients don't seem to get it. Our managers are promoted for technical skill, not leadership. Communication breakdowns are creating costly errors. We can't figure out what's holding us back. These are revenue performance problems. More specifically, they're revenue leaks. And unlike traditional leadership sales or change experts, I connect sales performance, leadership effectiveness, innovation adoption, human performance, and revenue growth to identify and eliminate revenue leaks, helping organizations adapt faster, execute better, and outperform their competition. Most organizations don't need another strategy session. They need a partner who can spot the signals, fix the root causes, and build a repeatable system that delivers measurable results and sustainable growth. And that's what I do. I don't just recommend growth. I build the engine that delivers it. The lesson the ocean taught me is simple. The crisis is rarely the first signal. It's usually the final one. The question is, what signs and signals are you ignoring today that could become tomorrow's biggest business challenge? Rainmakers Business Solutions, Jackie Rainforth. We make it rain results, revenue, and relentless growth in your business.